Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view your Binance transaction history. So I just tap on my Binance account and you will have to logged in officially, and now I will just move in my wallet icon, which is the top right corner bottom. So just tap on it, and after you may inside, and you will be see the option which is the top right corner. You will see the paper icon, and you will just tap on it. This is your transaction icon, so you will just tap on it, and after you will see the more options of transactions history, and you will just tap on it, and after you will see, you will just select it of funding. You want to see the funding transactions, spot transaction, and whatever you want. So this is my pay transaction. You will see it was an older, but you can find for your recents of P2P and pay and convert transactions, and you will see distribution and auto convert. So this is how you can find your Binance transaction history on your official account. So I hope this video help you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.